warm good morning, guys. Today we are going to digitalize using Earth, Google Earth Pro, using a line, point, polygon, all three. Basically, this is a process through which you can digitalize any particular area, choosing upon your interest. So currently, I am choosing a village in Jharkhand state. So let's start. First, you need to create a folder. Just go to add folder. Just give any particular name which you are interested for. In my condition, I am giving village. So yeah, village. And after that, just pick these tools will be not available until you will create a folder. So just let's pick a point. Just go to any area you want to go. Just let's select this house. Give any name. I'm just giving a random name like A, B. You can give anything. Let's give A. Let's give A. Then again choose. Just give it here. B. Just put B. B. And again let's choose this one. Then again let's give it C. I'm choosing a 5 point. Okay, you can choose as much you want as per your requirement. Let's give it D. Let's give it's a D. Yeah, okay, let's choose one more and it will be done. Okay, let's put it here. Okay, and let's give it B, C, D, E. Let's give it E. Okay, so now let's choose any road. Now just take a road, mostly add path. Don't delete this folder or cancel it, otherwise the digitalizing tool will disappear. Okay, so from Windows mouse, from keyboard you can go forward, backward, left, and just click OK in mouse to digitalize. You can zoom it up if you want more precision. I will suggest you go with the precision. Just put it a little aside and just do it. Okay, let's go. Just give road 1 R1. So I'm denoting R1, road number 1. You can see it's digitalized. Let's digitalize the other route. Let's digitalize this way. Okay, take one more road. Hit R2. Don't do anything, just digitalize. Yeah, let's go with the flow. Okay, you can see we're going till here. You can go like that and just go, keep it here. Just press OK, it will digitalize. And let's take a polygon. Just bigger your map a bit. Yeah, this polygon. Yeah, and just give it village or anything. Village. Okay, now you can say digitalize. After that you need to do what? You need to just save the folder, your village folder. Go here, right click, save as a place, and it will be saved in KMG file. So like GIS can read that KMG file, but if you want to process in ArcGIS, you need to convert it into a save file. Let's just go in QGIS and upload the file. Just go to layer, add vector layer. Just give the link to your file. In my condition it was in document. Let's see. Yeah, I think this was the name, village KMG, open, add. You can see all layer, just add it, close it. You can see the polygon. I didn't give the name, I guess that's why it's coming like that. Okay, you can see clearly. So thank you so much guys, and like, subscribe and share among your friend who like GIS, remote sensing and geography.